In front of me is iPad Pro 11, and let me show you how to clear browsing history in this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Safari. Then just click on this book icon, which is for history, and now click on clear at the bottom of the list. Now pick if you would like to remove data from last hour, today and yesterday, or all time, and I would pick the first one to clear it fully. And as you can see, from now on there is no longer history here. And if you go to reading list, you can also edit it, and by tapping on those tabs you can delete them. And then if you'll go to favorites, and if you have anything in favorites, you can smoothly remove it as well. So this is it. This is how you can clear browsing history in your iPad Pro 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.